Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be taking a look at this Sqero, S-Q-E-R-O power bank right here. And this power bank has something a little unique up its sleeve. It's also a MagSafe charger and stand. So on the top here you have your ports, just like any power bank. You have a USB-C port, a USB-A port, and you actually have a lightning port right here as well. So if you still have a lightning iPhone, iPhone 14 or below, and you want to be able to charge this power bank with your cable for your iPhone, you can do that. It does have a lightning in. This is an in only port to charge the power bank. And then you have USB-A out and USB-C out as well as in. So you can charge this either via lightning or USB-C, and then you can power your devices either via USB-C or USB-A. And the MagSafe stand. So if we click the little button right here, there's a little screen right here. You can see 100% charged. And then if we put the phone down on it, you can see there it does start charging. Now not only does this act as just a magnetic charger like that, it is also an adjustable stand, so you can put your iPhone up like so. And if you have an iPhone with iOS 17, you can also turn it sideways to enable the standby mode and the standby screen, and you can get that right here on your iPhone while using a power bank. So you don't have to plug it in if you're not near an outlet. If you're, maybe you're on a trip or something like that and the hotel doesn't have that many plugs, you can put this on the nightstand and still have your standby mode right there. And this power bank has plenty of power to charge your phone and run the standby mode all night, just like so. Take it off and you can see it does give you a little indicator when it is charging via power delivery and when it is charging wirelessly, so you know the status of your charger. And this is on Amazon for 35 bucks. So very, very good deal. You get a MagSafe charger, MagSafe stand, as well as a power bank right there. And it does have these little anti-slip pads on the bottom as well. So if it is on the table and you're using the MagSafe stand, you can still use your phone. Obviously it's gonna move your phone a little bit, but it's not gonna slide around and all that kind of stuff. And you are able to use your device while it charges on the MagSafe stand. So that is the Sqero MagSafe charger and battery bank right there. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.